pa. Bawat sulok ng Pilipinas ay may kwento. Mula sa tuktok ng bundok, sa malalayang pulo, hanggang sa makulay na kalsada ng mga lungsod. Merong isang hindi natatapos na paglalakbay. Dahil sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat destinasyon, may isang bagong kwento na naghihintay. Ang bawat tagpo ay nagpapaalala ng kung gaano kahalaga ang pagmamahal sa sariling bayan. Ang pangarap natin, hindi lang makita ang lahat ng ito, kundi ma-experience ang lahat ng adventures, hamon, at higit sa lahat, pagmamahal sa Pilipinas. Tara, libutin ang sariling atin. Dahil naka-aircon na tayo, nakakapagkape-kape na rin tayo. Good coffee. Good coffee. Good coffee. Alright mga pards, galing sa ating base, papunta na tayo sa last episode natin, Las Piñas. Bakit nga ba Las Piñas ang ating ihuhuli? Samantalang kanina sa Muntinlupa, katabi na natin ang Laguna. It's because pinili nating last episode ang Las Piñas dahil katabi ng Las Piñas ang Cavite. It makes sense. After NCR, Region 4A na tayo. At ano nga ba ang unang probinsya ng Region 4A? Ano nga ba? Di Cavite. So, Region 4A is Calabarzon, stands for Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon. 5 provinces in one region. At papunta na tayo ng Las Piñas. At bago tayo makarating sa ating destination, ito na muna ang quick history ng Las Piñas. Las Piñas City, a city rich in history, culture, and yes, the world famous bamboo organ. Las Piñas is located in the southern part of Metro Manila. From Luneta Park or Kilometer Zero, it's around 17 to 20 kilometers away. About 30 minutes to 1 hour travel. Depende on traffic or depende kung saan ka dadaan. Pwedeng via Cavitex, Alabang Zapote Road, or SLEX. Kaya siksik sa movement ng people and businesses. Las Piñas is bordered by Parañaque sa north, Muntinlupa City sa east, Bacoor, Cavite sa southwest. Kaya siya parang gateway papuntang Cavite. Las Piñas started as a small fishing and salt-making village during the early Spanish period. It became a town in 1797 under Father Diego Serra, the same priest who later built the bamboo organ. Later on, Las Piñas grew into a booming residential and commercial area. It officially became a city on March 26, 1997. Bakit nga ba ito tinawag na Las Piñas? There are two popular explanations. The area used to be filled with pine-like plants, hence Las Piñas, meaning the place of the pine plants. Some historians say it came from the word piña, meaning pineapple, dahil dati maraming pineapple plantation dito. The name was adopted during the Spanish era, making it officially known as Las Piñas. Population is around 606,000 residents, and the land area is 32.7 square kilometers, slightly larger than Makati, pero smaller than Quezon City or Muntinlupa. Las Piñas has 20 barangays grouped into 2 districts. Places to go in Las Piñas? Syempre, unahin natin ang Bamboo Organ Church or St. Joseph Parish. This is a UNESCO-recognized musical heritage. Las Piñas Parañaque Wetland Park, Nature and Bird Sanctuary. Vista Global South or Evia Lifestyle Mall, halos katabi lang to ng Muntinlupa for Instagrammable, worthy lifestyle and dining spot. At ito pa, pwede nyo bisitahin ang Sarao Jeepney Factory, where the classic Filipino jeepney design was born. Did you know that Las Piñas was once called the Salt Center of the Philippines because of its massive salt beds? The bamboo organ has 900 plus bamboo pipes and is the only one of its kind in the world. The city is known as one of the cleanest and most organized cities in Metro Manila. So that's Las Piñas, a city full of culture, heritage, and growth from the world-famous bamboo organ. And syempre, gateway nga ito sa next adventure natin, Cavite Province. Mga parts, on the right side, that's Muntinlupa. On the left side, that's Las Piñas. See? Las Piñas! Imagine mo, papagitan lang ng isang road or ng daan, dalawang city na or dalawang lugar na. Well, may mas malala nga. Alam ko sa ibang bansa or their boundaries na sa isang lugar, 4 na state ang naghahati-hati, or yung iba nga kabilang bansa mismo, pagitan lang isang daan. May mga ganun talagang lugar, nakakatawa. In front of us, that's Alabang Zapote Road. Yan. Yung right papuntang Skyway, papuntang Manila Makati, at yung left papuntang Las Piñas at Cavite. Sobrang lapit din ng mall dito, kaso traffic, napaka-traffic, laging traffic dito. Excited na nga tayo na matapos na yung NCR, dahil usual na rin naman sa atin yung lugar, I mean malapit lang. Mas excited tayong makapunta sa mga probinsya. Doon talaga tayo mag-explore. Yun ang adventure, yun ang trip, di ba? So, after this, Cavite, medyo matindi-tinding planning yun. Siyempre, para mas ma-maximize natin yung time natin, hindi naman tayo basta-basta tumitira lang. Minsan, oo, random, pero mas maigi nakaplano. It's because sayang din ang oras. So, medyo challenging din yung pagpa-planning. Of course, pagko-cover, lalo ng pag-i-edit ng mga contents. Backstory lang, as a content creator, as a YouTuber. Yun ang mga struggles na pinagdadaanan. At least on my side. So, sana may katulong ako next time. Sana nandyan si Chong. Gagawan ko ng paraan na nandyan si Chong. At gagawa namin ng paraan na maging productive yung maghapon namin for Cavite. Ba't nga ba ako Cavite nun ng Cavite? Eh, nasa Las Piñas pa tayo. Check out Las Piñas. Actually, malapit na lang ang City Hall dito. Sobrang lapit lang ng City Hall dito. Looking forward nga tayo din sa mga provincial area dahil nandun yung mga ancestral houses. Meron din sa NCR, pero hindi pa natin na-explore. Pero yun, excited tayo makakita ng mga bundok.
You're on the fastest route despite some traffic. You will arrive at 7:42 a.m.
Ganyan naman yan, no? SM South Mall. Laki! Lapit yan, pero bihira tayo makapunta dyan. Well, isa lang sa nagtukas ng traffic, pero mostly kasi residential area talaga tong lugar na to. Ay, traffic. Even on holidays, traffic. Mas malala ito pag weekdays. Sobrang mas malala ito pag weekdays. Ay, malapit na tayo. Konti na lang. So we are at the crossing ng Alabang Zapote Road and Naga Road or CAA Road. Ito nga rin, Las Piñas is connected din sa isa sa pinakamalaking subdivision or village sa buong Pilipinas, BF Homes. Nakagawa na ako ng kwento about BF Homes covering the Parañaque episode natin. Uy, nice bike. Yeah. So nakakatawa tong adventure na ginagawa natin, and I hope na appreciate nyo din. It's because wala lang. Hindi. It's because of the adventure, the thrill of adventure and going to places na hindi mo pa nakikita. Kaya excited ako matapos na to Metro Manila. Napupunta na rin naman tayo sa South, pero alam mo yung iba yung may challenge. Yun yung drive at motivation natin, yung challenge. We have a long way to go. Siguro nasa 15th, 16th episode pa lang tayo, pero looking forward for that. Regardless kung kailan natin matapos yan, gagawin natin hanggat sa makakaya, diba? Reflecting, talking to myself 5 years from now, 10 years from now, depende kung kailan natin matatapos. But yung joy o the adventure, fulfillments, drama. Ayan, malapit tayo. Nawala na yung traffic. Wow! For the past few episodes, we traveled across the National Capital Region, the heart of the Philippines, the place where history stands beside progress, where life moves fast but stories are rooted deep. From the old walls of Manila to the rising skylines of Makati and Taguig, to the vibrant communities of Quezon City and the quiet corners of Pateros. We walked, we listened, and we learned. We saw cities that never sleep and cities that keep their traditions alive. We crossed bridges, highways, barangay roads, and old main streets that hold a timeline of memories for the people who call this place home. We learned that progress isn't always about tall buildings. Sometimes it's about preserving identity. And sometimes it's about remembering who we are. We faced traffic, rain, init, pagod, and long drives or rides. But these challenges were nothing, because every corner had a story to tell. Every city had a soul. Every stop reminded us, mayaman ang kultura natin. May kwento ang bawat kanto. May puso ang ating bayan. This journey wasn't just travel. It was discovery, it was reconnection, and it was home rediscovered. And now, as we close this chapter of NCR, we look forward to the rest of the Philippines, because our story doesn't end here. This is just the beginning. So sa lahat ng sumama, sumubaybay, at tumawid, nag-drive or nag-ride sa mga kalsada kasama namin, maraming salamat. And we continue not just to see places, but to understand them, to treasure them, to remember that what we're looking for was always right here. Wow! This is an old mall. Ang creepy na tong mall na to. Wow! Metro Mall. So tara. Kinikilabutan ako sa mall na yan. Tapusin na natin to. Malapit na tayo. Ito na ba yan? Tingnan natin. Welcome to City Hall of Las Piñas. Walang tao. Sana walang tao. Oh, may tao din. Ano ba yan? Kanina pa. Wala nga naman, gumit na ako dyan. May ceremony kanina eh. Again, it's a holiday. Oh, e-bike. I need to be there. Minute of flag ceremony, pero hindi naman siya ano. Well, pwede na dito. Actually yan oh, Las Piñas City Hall, ang laki. Okay, I think doon na tayo. Doon na tayo sa Las Piñas City Hall at hindi tayo makaka-estorbo doon. Okay. Alright. So, thumbnail tayo. Ay, medyo maliwanag na. Thumbnail tayo, thumbnail. Alright. Panghi. This is the last episode. This marks the last episode ng ating NCR, Metro Manila, or NCR, or National Capital Region. This marks the last episode. So I cannot wait for adventures sa mga susunod nating probinsya, city at mga municipalities. We will also be adding up interesting facts about those locations na pupuntahan natin. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel para updated kayo sa mga videos at adventures natin. That's it for today mga parts and mga Mars. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video natin today at lagi natin tatandaan, hilig man sa kotse o sa adventures, bakit ka papipili? Hard work pays off. Pwede both.